storage in Queensboro Plaza.
Likely in the morning. Visibility 1 nautical mile Luna for Saturday night. Northwest winds 20 to 25 knots, diminishing to 15 to 20 knots after midnight. Gust up to wind and waves higher and a near thunderstorm.
The offshore waters forecast for south of New England from the Great Southeast, including the waters south of Martha's Vineyard, Second Island.
Saturday. Low tide is at 1:50 a.m. Saturday and 2:26 p.m. Saturday.
Here are the current conditions. As of 11 p.m. at Central Park, snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile. The temperature was 22 degrees, point 27, and the relative humidity of 6%. The wind was north at 8 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 21. The pressure was 29.72 inches and rising. Elsewhere in the metropolitan area, temperatures were between 26 and 30 degrees. At LaGuardia Airport, snow and fog were reported. At Kennedy, snow and fog were reported. At Newark, snow and fog were reported. At White Plains, snow and fog were reported. Across Long Island, temperatures were between 26 and 31 degrees. At West Texas, fog was reported. At Islip, snow and fog degrees, and the sea surface temperature was 42 degrees. Waves were 14 feet, with a dominant period of 11 seconds. A 13-foot swell from east with a period of 11 seconds was reported. The report from Massachusetts was not available. The report from Western Sound was not available. The report from Central Sound was not available. At Rockland Beach in New York Harbor, wind WO 35 Rochester on a frequency of 100.55 megahertz. Here is the forecast. Monday night, cloudy. Lows in the upper 30s. Southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex, southern New London, northern Fairfield, northern New Haven, northern Middlesex, and northern New London. National Weather Service Doppler radar and observations indicate a large band of snow over central and eastern southern Connecticut. Moderate to heavy snow will occur in spots. Snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour with zero visibility are expected to occur. In addition, windy conditions with gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour will lead to dangerous travel conditions. Travel is not recommended and should be avoided if possible. Here is a special weather statement for the following areas: New York, northwest Suffolk, southwest Suffolk, northern Nassau, southern Nassau, northeast Suffolk, and southeast Suffolk. National Weather Service Doppler radar and observations indicate visibility along the Twin Forks of Long Island time until midnight. Widespread flooding is vulnerable to roads. Live conditions for people who find themselves in harm's way southway. Isolated structural damage may be observed along forecast total. Flood. Location. High tide. Water level. Category. Lower low water. Riverhead, New York. 10:39 p.m. 0.6/.3 to 6.8. Moderate. For the following western Monmouth and eastern Monmouth. Coastal flood warning remains in effect until 11 a.m. Saturday. Location. Minor flooding is the most vulnerable to roads and/or basements due to high storms that always splash over. Here is the latest weather map discussion. Low pressure off the Delmarva Peninsula will strengthen as it tracks northeast for tonight. Cold air will move in, allowing for precipitation to be all snow everywhere. The snow will come down heavy at times. 2 miles per hour after midnight. Up to 30 miles per hour Sunday. Highs in the upper 30s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles, mainly in the morning. Diminishing to 20 to 25 knots with gust up to 35 knots late, seas 5 to 8 feet, subsiding to 4 to 6 feet after midnight. Snow with isolated thunderstorms this evening, then slow after midnight. Visibility 1 nautical mile. Visibility less than 1 nautical mile. Saturday, north to northwest winds 35 to 50 knots, except east of 71 west to 65 knots early, diminishing to 30 to 40 knots